for today's video is somewhat like there's a twist because if you are a foreigner here to Bangkok or somewhat like a tourist, can you buy a branded phone here to Bangkok? Of course, yes. Okay, but a lot of subsidiary shops like selling a mobile or a branded phone. So you must know which shops or which company it's like really that you have to purchase your mobile. For these shops, I'm going to take a look what is their promotion. So they have Realme, Vivo. These are the Oppo shop, which is like a Dtac company, wherein you can buy also your SIM card. There is a Dtac and TrueMove, and yeah. So this one right now, how much is this? Oppo Find X3. This is like about the prices here. Let's see. But the one thing that's problem in here is just like you're going to use only Dtac. So 20,990. That is already discounted. Where in fact that will be 33,990. This is still an Oppo shop wherein you can see there is 19,900, but it was like sale. This is like Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. But that one is an obsolete style and brand of Oppo. This one is to the second one from Oppo Find X3 Pro. This is another shop of phones wherein you can buy, but the thing is just that there are different packages of the phones that they are offering, so you must be smart to choose which one. This is the 8 series 5G Realme. Also very encouraging to buy as well, but I don't know how it differs from Oppo. The highest price of Realme, which is 14,990, and the second one for the Realme is this price, 13,993. Here to J-Mart, if you're going to come here, you must have a membership so that you can have about like 10% discount in this J-Mart company. But I would just like to tell you that every time you come over and go to subsidiary shops such like this, it's just like I would suggest it's better to go to the real one company like Oppo company or Huawei company, so such like that. These are the available brand of Huawei. So far, a lot of sales. It's just after you which brand you're going to take it.
คือพี่ใช้โทรศัพท์ cover IP 20 อยู่แต่
This is something new. It's like a Huawei eyewear 2 that says like there's like a Bluetooth. 13,990. here to TrueMove, you can see it's cheaper. But the thing is that, example, you see that it's 7,990. So that is the cash, and then you have to pay for the monthly because that is not the actual price, total amount of the said mobile phone. So if you have really a cash, so you better have to pay it in cash and no credits, or even just like your monthly payment. Number one strategy of those subsidiaries, sellers of the phones, they have something free with luggage and such like that, as you can see here. Are the free from Bibo. If you're going to buy from the Bibo, these are the frees that you can get. So it's just up to you, and be wise to choose which of those phones that fits with your style and your taste. If you're going to buy using your credit card, these are the free of all those mobiles and LCDs. So the more expensive you bought, the or buy, so the more a lot of prices and choices that you can have for free. Tumbler, the pillowcase when traveling, the robotic vacuum cleaner, the Bluetooth, the health watch, and then tumbler,